Good morning, class. Yesterday we learned three different types of vocabulary. The lesson 1 was the colors, the lesson 2 was the numbers, and the lesson 3 was the family members, alright? And today I'm going to show you how you can use this vocabulary, okay? I want to start with this picture. This picture is my family, mi familia, mi hermana, my sister, my brother, mi hermano, mi madre, my mother, and mi padre, my father. Okay? How many people you can count on this picture? I don't know. Let's count together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 personas. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, y 5. Okay? And now I'm going to do with you guys this activity, okay? And I want you use that color red on the number 1. Quiero que ustedes usen el color rojo en el número 1. Color rojo en el número 1. Okay? Color red on the number 1. Okay? Color amarillo en el número 2. Color yellow on the number 2. Okay? Color azul en el número 3. Okay? Color blue on the number 3. Color morado en el número 4. Color purple on the number 4. Color gris en el número 5. Color gray on the number 5. Color negro en el número 6. Okay? Color black on the number 6. Color rosa en el número 7. Color pink on the number 7. Okay? Color verde en el número 8. Color green on the number 8. Okay? Color blanco en el número 9. Color white on the number 9. Okay? Good job. That will be our review for today. And have a great day, guys, and be prepared for our test tomorrow. Bye.